Hello, I'm Michael Boyd, and I am dependent on adaptive equipment for my mobility due to my paralyzed condition. I acquired my condition as the result of a scaffold fail when roofing a house one hot summer day in 1994. The 18 feet I fell head first effectively broke my neck, injuring my spinal cord. Since that eventful day, sitting is required, but sitting still is not. In 2000, the generosity of family and friends gave me a new van and the freedom to be independent with my transportation. That transportation has allowed me to be active for the past 15 years within my community with volunteer opportunities such as serving on the regional and state family support councils, a steering committee for bicycle and pedestrian routes here in Cookeville, Tennessee, a grief recovery group facilitator for Heart of the Cumberland, an advisory board member for Tennessee Central Heritage Rails with Trails, and a Pathfinder instructor with the kids at my church. I am currently the director of a campus ministry, Adventist Christian Fellowship, on the campus at Tennessee Tech University. Serve on the AmeriGroup Advisory Board and serve on the Cookeville Leisure Services Advisory Board. Exercise plays a key role for me in maintaining good health and happiness. I can often be found pushing this wheelchair for sustained exercise, and I also hand cycle, snow ski, and kayak simply because of the independence granted by having my own van. For 15 years and over 182,000 miles, my Dodge van has served me well, but the heavy repair bills remind me that a replacement is needed. I hope to not miss a beat by winning this contest. Where there is a wheel, there's a way. Thanks.